And welcome back. First up, cricket, lovely cricket. Or is it? The fallout between the Jamaica Tallawahs franchise and its players is deepening as the man named Wisden's leading T20 all-rounder for 2019, Andre Russell, says the upcoming season will be his last with the franchise. More in this report.
Andre Russell, who turned 32 on Wednesday, has called the current Jamaica Tallawahs structure the weirdest he has seen in his career. Following Chris Gayle's outburst about the Tallawahs' decision not to retain him, Russell says the current situation has put him in an unfair position. The renowned T20 all-rounder says his loyalty of taking pay cuts has still not been enough for the owners to show him respect.
I think this might be my last season for Jamaica Tallawahs as well. And I'm just clearing the air. I have another year contract with Tallawahs, and I'm going to play and try and win, because that's all I play for. But this will be my last, because I've been getting, and I can't be playing cricket and I'm not comfortable. And I think another franchise that have been coming last and fifth and fourth in CPL will appreciate me more. I'm not getting it here.
The Old Harbour native said he developed a rocky relationship with the management group since his captaincy in 2018, and it extended into last season.
I wasn't even involved in anything whatsoever when it comes on to Jamaica Tallawahs. I felt like a first-class player that just made his debut one game ago, like maybe a couple of weeks ago, and just been thrown into CPL.
With Rovman Powell and Floyd Reefer set to be installed as captain and coach for the upcoming season, the all-rounders forecast is unlike the normal summer in the tropics.
I can tell you, this is going to be an awkward dressing room. It's going to be an awkward CPL. But no fans or no one will actually see that when I step out to bat or to bowl, or while I'm on the field. I play to win, and that's my motto. Play to win.
Russell has been with the Tallawahs since the inception of the CPL and won titles in 2013 and 2016. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.